Biafra National Guard have launched a ballistic missile. Don't be smart, you know. They say that as we dey talk, say General Innocent Orji, as Nigeria government to come carry many of their tools. Now they come provoke. So those who want to carry a small thing, now they come launch intercontinental ballistic missile. Hey, Chineke me, things go happen. No be small thing as we dey talk now. Aso Rock in Paníc. They say if this one land for Aso Rock, now be say everywhere don burst. Kata go there for inside Aso Rock as we dey talk. Hello my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first day wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing. If you know say na today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful, and never give us a follow, I don't know what you dey wait to, or I may you quickly follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell for a quick update as it dey hot. Na so we dey bring and they can't give you. As we dey talk now, the matter we will get for hand today, they say that the Biafra National Guard (BNG) say they are doing their anniversary of many years where they don't launch the group. No be small thing. Now they say as Nigeria army go invaded their checkpoint, come carry their motor, we carry Obinigwe. That one na thunder Amadioha for up. As they don't carry that one, and now they come build another one where they call Amadioha ballistic missile. I wonder if Biafra come, the names of weapon where we go get, only am alone go scare the enemy away. This one Amadioha ballistic missile. And if this Amadioha ballistic missile mistakenly go for Fast Rock, we have to know go hide. No look God, no. As we dey talk, now they can't do their parade. As they do their parade finish, hey, now they carry Nigeria flag, go bury am. Don't be smart, you know. They dig ground, bury the Nigeria flag. Say anything we consign them and Nigeria, they know they inside again. That also give Nigeria government ultimatum from now to November to release Mazen and the Kalu. Say if not, they go release that their ballistic missile. Hey, my people, no be smart thing. If we dey talk like this, come like say we dey talk too much. Mo go watch the first video. Mo go watch the second video. I will play it for you. May you watch them with your own eyes.
Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the second anniversary of the state of Biafra. Sorry for the poor video quality. It's due to circumstances beyond our control. This is a segment of the Kingdom Prophecy and its issue. Okay, I'm back. Before I was cut short, I was speaking about the second segment, which is the Kingdom Prophecy and its fulfillment, and also a possible test run of the Amadioha supersonic intercontinental ballistic missile. All that is going to happen within a frame of few hours. So continue to watch while we are waiting for the arrival of a representative or possibly the head of state to tell us more about this innovation, this world-class invention by scientists and engineers of the Biafran National Guard. What you're seeing on your screen is the Amadioha supersonic intercontinental ballistic missile. About, from the information I'm getting directly now, this missile is about 13 feet tall. I don't think there's any human as tall as that in the land of Biafra yet, except to find that. So this missile is actually taller than most of the human beings residing in the state of Biafra.
Weighing about 2.8 tons.
Weighing about 2.8 tons. This is a magnificent production.
At the range of 280 kilometers.
At the range of 280 kilometers. Hi. Oh dear me. Well, I've just seen the arrival of the head of state of the Biafran provincial government and the commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the state of Biafra, General Innocent N. Oji, who is going to talk to us about this Amadioha 003 ballistic supersonic intercontinental missile.
Biafran's greetings all over the world. You can see Amadioha 003 ballistic intercontinental missile is here. You can see it. So this is for Biafran defense and nothing more than that. After the program, you know more about this because of our time. So I'm just keep watching. Biafra is alive. Biafra government is alive. Biafra government is alive. And Biafra government is alive. Keep watching. This is Amadioha 003 ballistic indigenous production made in Biafra. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that Amadioha Amadioha ballistic missile, no be smart, you know. This one, I be say, if Nigeria government put hair for that side, they go to release them. I beg, I thank God to beg una. Me una no say, I no have to control them. I beg, me no go land for my roof. Yeah, Biafra people is going to be a United States of Africa. Is going to be a China in Africa, because it's not easy. If somebody can do, even though the carving alone can carve something like that, that means if you tell them the other secret where they go put inside, we go make a move, it will be them perfect. And I believe that our people can do more better than this. Actually, any country that fought a war never, there's something they call a kind of build a place called a secret bunker, where they train scientists, they train all kind of people that produce a locally made weapon for them. But I don't know if you people get something like this, so because this world where would they inside now, wait till you carry for hand, now may other people, other part of the world, they respect you. If in a country like Nigeria now invade Palestine, by now millions of bombs go down for inside Nigeria, because they know say Nigeria no go fit defend themselves. If Nigeria are like Israel, that time when they tell Niger, say, hey, now we be a giant of Africa, now we be the president of giant of Africa. Okay, make us this one, that one, made the military this thing come out. If not like Israel tell other place like that, they go listen to them, because as in according to Igbo language, So now wetin you hold, now make other people they fear you. If Biafrans, if those people who are the forefront of Biafra, Biafra have a lot of engineers that can produce, they don't even need to import anything self. But you people must have a deeper underground where everything will be built. Now it's not when you tell me say you want to go on generator. Solar is anyway, you can hide your secret solar everywhere and be building anything you want to build underground. So I'm not giving you secret, but I'm just telling you people that fought war what they should have done in the sun in case of when a thing like that meet them again. If Ojukwu and other engineers did not crack their brain to start building Ojukwu bunker, Ojukwu bucket, or different guns in order way to defend our people, by now maybe my grandfather will not be alive, or your grandfather will not be alive to burn you. So that is the thing. Our people need to wake up and start doing something for themselves and stop hoping in international community. Guys, please share this video. For the people who go come tell me say why this one they make noise, why the other one they make noise, anyhow that you know say you go fit fight for Biafra, get them, they do them on your own. They know they put mouth for your own matter. You people don't suppose put mouth for their own matter. So if you get what you want, tell them what you want for them, you tell them. Share this video, guys. See you in the next update.